In our last video, we learned how to use in, on, and under. Today, we are about to learn how to use in front of, behind, next to, above, below, between, among, near, and far in a sentence. So stay tuned and listen to me. Using in front of in a sentence. The ball is in front of the box. The boy is in front of the school. The cat is in front of the table. The dog is in front of the door. Using behind in a sentence. The ball is behind the box. The boy is behind the tree. The cat is behind the chair. The dog is behind the door. Using next to in a sentence. The ball is next to the box. The dog is next to the chair. The cat is next to the bed. Using above in a sentence. The ball is above the box. The dog is above the fence. The cat is above the table. Using below in a sentence. The ball is below the box. The dog is below the table. The cat is below the bridge. Using between in a sentence. The ball is between the boxes. The boy is between the chairs. The cat is between the table and the chair. The dog is between the dog houses. Using among in a sentence. The girl is among the boxes. The dog is among the people. The cat is among the pigeons. Using near in a sentence. The owl is near the box. The boy is near the tree. The fox is near the bush. Using far in a sentence. The boy is far from the tree. The cat is far from the house. The ball is far from the box. In front of, behind, next, above, below, between, among, near, far,